What's the meaning of Bisto? Bisto. Bisto.
Bisto. Bisto. Bisto is a brand of gravy and sauce products that originated in the United Kingdom. The word Bisto is actually a contraction of the phrase browns, seasons and thickens in one, which refers to the unique 3-in-1 formula of the product. Bisto's distinctive taste comes from its blend of wheat flour and caramelized sugar, giving it a rich, savory flavor. Bisto products are commonly used to add flavor to meat dishes, stews, and casseroles, and are particularly popular in British cuisine. In addition to its traditional gravy and sauce mixes, Bisto has also introduced vegetarian and gluten-free options to cater to a wider range of dietary needs.